Alright, we're gonna just put just a cute little, okay, so you can ponytails for her to go home in right quick. Just so she don't have that what you call it, bedroom hair. Well, she got that bedroom hair. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. And guess what? I don't know where my comb at. TT don't know what she did with the comb. Cute little ponytails right quick. Wet her hair because I'm about to actually pack her to go home. So yeah. So we ain't gonna wet the hair, y'all. I probably should have just did cute little bands. Not too much like putting little bands in her hair though. No, we don't. Yeah, we don't. See, TT don't really like that. Alright, baby girl, turn your head, girl. Okay, TT. We gotta get you, for your packs home. So yes, TT. See, her curls wanna go whatever way. So handsome. Water. Move it out of the way, but like I said, she's about to leave the nursery. Alright. So I was about to forget about it, little Tweet. Yes, you is, little baby. Yes, you is. You ready to go? Yes, TT, I'm ready to go. Alright. I should have put this purple in front, huh? Put a white back here. Let's put a white one. Oh, crap. Little baby. She like what, TT? Y'all? Come on now. These little hairballs, these little bitty, these little small hairballs is, shoot, they hard to work with. Slipping all out my hand. Slipping all out my hand, little baby. Them little hairballs hard to work with, girl. Yes, they is. We getting it though, we getting it. So we getting it, TT. Purple one up here, y'all. Turn around, girl. Turn around. She's like, okay. Okay, TT. Y'all see how little these, girl, these little hair balls. They just want to ball out your hand. There we go, princess. Look at you. Looking all adorbs. Yes, you is. This is how y'all want to do some short ponytails. Y'all get y'all the little small hairballs, which I got from my local beauty supply store. You know, they have them all different sizes. So y'all got a baby with some short hair. Y'all get y'all these little small hairballs. If your fingers ain't as big as mine, you'll probably be able to work with it with no problem. But I got some big hands. So me trying to, I'm getting it. Say she getting it though, y'all. Say she getting it though, y'all. Yes, she is. Yes, I is, TT. Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. Alright. As y'all can see, her hair can be parted any kind of way. And this is all installed by hand. Okay, we're gonna put a yellow one right here. Oh, ooh. Say yes, TT, yes. Alright. And then we're going to put a purple one right here. In the back. Yes, Mama. Look at you got your hair done. And now she is packed and ready to go. Alright, Mama. Let us see your hair go. So that's the back. That's the side. And then, you want your passy back? There you go, Mama. Dash the front. She like, I ain't studying that passy. And that's the other side. Thank you again, Mommy, for purchasing this Reborn Baby doll. And it was a custom, and it was a pleasure bringing your Reborn Baby doll to life. Say, see you soon, Mommy.
Yo, Becky got her a website, bruh, and you can access it straight from Facebook. All you gotta do is go and click on that little link right there. Click, she got her necklaces, bracelets, all that type of stuff. It shows you when the item's out of stock. She has her promise to make sure that you guys get a very good product in a timely manner, okay? So I'm just let y'all know this is a really dope website, super cool. And the checkout process is so stupid, simple, easy. You can't even get confused. Put in your info, put in your delivery time, put your payment in. Do not click checkout if you ain't got no money for this payment, okay? Because then you're going to be messaging her looking like me. And guess she messages back. I'm telling y'all should go check it out. Becky's page is where it's at.
Hey, oh. Hit that like, hey, subscribe, oh, hey, it's TT Show, oh, get it, hey, get it, oh, get it, hey, get it, oh.